Hello everyone, come back to my trade recap videos, and today, here's the trade recap today for how I make, how much is it? $1,600 plus $900 in drawdown, which is around $2,400. Here's the proof. All these trades are made today. This was a break even, I suppose. Oh wait, no. All these trades are made today in this New York session, right? So um, let's speak down the trade and some reflection for today, right? So coming into today, my bias was very clear that we don't have a clear trend. We don't have any draw to target. We don't have any profile, because what did we have the whole week? We have Judah swing, Judah swing, Judah swing. Um, like I say, market maker sell model. This is a liquidity. This is liquidity pre-market, right? Like literally bottom tick if you long here, but I wouldn't suggest that. Which is also a 4-hour rejection block, but yeah, um, market because sell model completed, and I have no idea what is price gonna do. Plus the fact that the next, I believe next Tuesday, yeah, next Tuesday will be CPI, so Friday and Monday will most likely be chopped, or will be generating liquidity for Friday for CPI to move, right? So with that in mind, I have no intention of making any trades, but coming into market open, right? Let's go over market open of today, right? So let me move to market open. So moving into market open, what do we have, right? So we just taking out this high, internal high, right? And like I say, I was expecting a very high resistance day. We are, but we are displacing lower. Bro, what is wrong with trading view? Like, sometimes I'd be so mad at them, bro. So pre-market open, we have a 4-hour tapped, taking out liquidity, and we have a CSD, right? And we have all these generated sell side down here. So these equal lows, this low, daily low, um, but these are not clear, right? The only thing I found very clear is this 1-hour rejection block with this equal lows around here, right? So market open, what do? We dump straight down to the strong liquidity, right? Um, Bro, oh my god. So we dump straight down to these strong liquidity. I missed everything. We also have a 30 minutes devil mark with a VI there, so that's very clean. Price took that immediately. It has to feel like inefficiency in the market, right? With these wick lows put in place, it taken out that and tap into 1-hour rejection block, right? So uh, if you know that in high resistance day like this, rejection blocks are very strong. It is the strongest form of liquidity. PDO you can trade in high resistance day because market's just gonna bounce between the rejection block, high time frame rejection block, right? So that's what I see. So right here, uh, there's a 1-minute tap, right? Do I expect it to take out this daily high? Like I was so confident that it will not take any of these lows, because will be a because people thinking that today will be expansion day. We have CSD, we have 4-hour rejection, 4-hour BC, 4-hour CB tap, 15-minute change state delivery. We have bearish order flow. We have everything, right? So people most likely will expect this low hanging fruit to be taken, and most likely these daily low will be taken, right? So but I know that if we in our high resistance, we will most likely will be bullish back into the range, right? Back into the range at least, right? So that's what I see today. That's what I see here. We have a tap into this gap. and a fake out to this candle low, right? So in the middle of this candle, I saw displacement enter right away around here. Let me check. Let me check my execution. So enter Rhino around 689.75. So right here, stop was very small. Enter with one contract because my balance is already low. I'm down $900 for Asia, but we got that, and I was targeting initially. I was targeting this high, but I saw that I can target this 1 minute busy, so that's what I did, and price ripped higher, right? So that's first trade, bring me back to up 100 from down $900 to up $100 for a day. So I know that it's gonna be high resistant day, and I was about to close my chart, right? My chart and lock out the day, but I see that you know I was just watching price, and I noticed that price start chopping around, and like I said, rejection block are the strongest form of PDRA. With this wick, taking out all these liquidity, with it tapping into this 15-minute BPR. So this should be a strong wick in this market condition, right? So I was waiting, did not long, did not short right here. I know that long is most likely will not be able to break out this big wick right here, because we are also in a 50-minute BPR to the downside, right? So I was just watching. Okay, we have a dump, right? So now people think that we are displacing lower from this 15-minute BPR. Sellers coming in and jumping in, thinking that we'll clear all of these strong liquidity today, right? But what happened is that price chopping around at this order block, and when I see this price signature where it keeps ranging in a range, but it still have lower highs, lower I mean higher lows like this, right? Higher lows like this. I know that price most likely will be bullish at least towards like this high or this high right here before rejecting from a potential this wick or maybe up here, right? So I do not FOMO into this because buyers are jumping in. I waited because it's high resistance, right? Just keep that in mind. So I have this candle right here, right? So people in short now think, okay, we have inverse, we have everything to go short. We have this doji candle disrespected and everything, right? But I waited for a little bit before I decide my trade, and I got in right here, right? It was a very small trade, stop loss below here. TP, I put it, so I was thinking put it right here, but it's such a bad, risk to reward. 7.25. Wait, 721.75. Yeah, down here. So yeah, it's my entry. Stop below this candle. Take profit. I put it up here, and we open 10 a.m. higher. Take out this candle, and price dumped immediately because of high resistance, right? And with that, I pass my account. Very simple, nothing much to say about. And let me show you the rest of the day, right? So it keep chopping around, high resistance, of course. Now it's dumped, but like I say, tap into a very high time frame rejection block, probably 4-hour rejection block. And holy, I didn't expect this big of a bullish candle, but we did take out something up here. Let me see what is it? A wick in a 1-hour CB ray. Wow, that's actually crazy. but I think we will continue to chop around maybe at these highs right here. But yeah, I was done for the day. I didn't take any trade for my funded because this is not continuation models. This is discretionary from my market experience. Did not follow my rules, but my idea in trading eval is that I should pass it quickly. Of course, you know, you need to have some discretion in your trade and some reasoning in your trade, not taking, you know, revenge trading and stuff. And I had that in mind, but to me, I'm not so happy about what I did because it's like cheating on my girlfriend, right? I have models backed by data that um, make me a lot of money, and today I trade like the complete opposite of it, which is, you know, trading ranges. Um, I do not feel proud of that, but at the same time, I I do know what I'm doing. I do have a reason behind my trades. Um, I target very quick, and I also put my stop loss very small. So yeah, I'll keep refining my edge. I'll journal this, knowing that I do break my rules today, but it did yield me, you know, positive results. So maybe in the future, maybe I can try that, but maybe I should not try it, right? So you have to build your discretion through days like these to see which suit you the best, right? You cannot just be robotic and follow one, you know, system. But I think that's what should I be doing because I'm unprofitable. I lost so much. Like I lost a 3.5k balance just yesterday, and today I passed three new funded account, which is kind of insane to think about. But yeah, I was smart enough to not take it on my funded because I know it's prestigious. I know it's pretty prestigious, but and so I didn't trade it. But yeah, coming to the next week, I'll be full porting these two express that have like around $30 in balance. I know that Top Step has a $2,100 maximum loss limit, right? Um, and this has $30. This has $10. So it will be crazy. Full port CPI. Probably gonna skip Monday if there's nothing. There will be nothing. There will be nothing. There will be high resistant um, high resistant trading activities like this. Okay, but yeah, that is for today. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next trade recap.